Hello and welcome. I'm Dr. Motahare and this is the Art of Medicine channel. Today we are exploring a simple yet powerful topic: how you can support your joint and leg health naturally without supplements or medication. We will talk about 7 vegetables that help your body build collagen and stay strong. Before we dive in, don't forget to hit the subscribe button if you are interested in expert health advice. Let's get started. Collagen is the most abundant protein in your body. It gives a structure to your skin, joints, and bones, and lots of other places. But as we age, collagen production decreases, leading to stiff joints, weak muscles, and fragile skin. Eating the right vegetables can naturally support your body's collagen building processes. Spinach. Spinach is a leafy green powerhouse full of vitamin C and antioxidants, both of which help boost collagen production. It's also anti-inflammatory, making it excellent for joint pain relief. You can add it to salads, soups, or smoothies daily. Second vegetable is kale. Kale is rich in vitamins K and C, both essential for collagen synthesis and bone strength. It also contains sulforaphane, which may reduce joint inflammation. You can try it after fried quickly in a little hot oil or blend it into green juices. Broccoli. Broccoli is another great source of vitamin C and also contains lutein, which is known to fight inflammation. Its fiber content also supports gut health, which is closely linked to inflammation control. You can roast or steam it for best benefits. Red bell peppers. These colorful vegetables are loaded with vitamin C, which is one of the most important vitamins for making collagen. They are rich in beta-carotene, which protects joints and skin. They are great raw, grilled, or blended into sauces. Tomatoes. Tomatoes are full of lycopene, which is a powerful antioxidant, and also vitamin C. They help protect your joints from oxidative stress and promote collagen repair. You can add them to stews, soups, or eat them fresh in salads. Carrot. Carrots are high in beta-carotene, which your body converts to vitamin A. Vitamin A protects existing collagen and helps repair connective tissue. They are great raw, steamed, or roasted as a side dish. The final vegetable that I'm going to talk about is mushroom. Mushrooms are often overlooked, but they provide copper, a trace mineral essential for collagen cross-linking. This makes your joints more resilient. They are also anti-inflammatory and support immune function. Include them in stir fries, stews, or omelets. You don't need complicated recipes. Spinach and kale can go to smoothies or salads. Roast broccoli, carrots, and peppers. Add tomatoes to sauces. Saute mushrooms with garlic. Eating a variety of colors ensure a full range of nutrients to your body. Collagen supports your joints, and these vegetables help your body make and protect it. Small daily choices can greatly improve your mobility and comfort. Stay consistent, and your body will appreciate that. Thank you for watching. Remember, health isn't about drastic changes, it's about daily habits. If this video helped, please subscribe and share with someone who needs joint support too.